Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is an exciting and potentially rewarding venture. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, YouTube remains one of the most popular platforms for sharing and discovering content. Whether you aim to entertain, educate, or inspire, YouTube offers a global stage where your voice can reach millions. However, the landscape of YouTube is continually evolving, and what worked a few years ago might not yield the same results today. Understanding the current trends, audience expectations, and platform nuances is crucial for anyone looking to make their mark on YouTube. The competition on YouTube is fierce, with countless creators vying for attention. But don't be discouraged, success is attainable with the right approach and dedication. Starting a channel today involves more than just hitting the record button. It requires a strategic plan, quality content, and a solid understanding of YouTube's algorithms and policies. From selecting the right niche and investing in good equipment to mastering video editing and SEO, each aspect plays a significant role in your channel's growth and sustainability. In this article, we will explore 9 essential things you need to know about starting a YouTube channel in 2024. These insights will not only help you launch your channel effectively but also navigate the complexities of content creation and audience engagement. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your existing channel, these tips will provide a comprehensive guide to thriving on YouTube in today's digital age. Get ready to embark on your YouTube journey with confidence and clarity. Be sure and watch this video until the end where we reveal the best tools for you to get started on YouTube today. Number 1 of 9 things to start a YouTube channel. Define your niche and audience. Defining your niche and audience is the cornerstone of a successful YouTube channel. In 2024, the YouTube ecosystem is more saturated than ever, making it essential to carve out a unique space where your content can shine. A niche helps you target a specific segment of the vast YouTube audience, allowing you to cater to their particular interests and needs. Start by identifying your passions and areas of expertise. What topics do you enjoy discussing? What skills or knowledge can you share? Your enthusiasm for the subject will translate into more engaging and authentic content, which is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers. Research potential niches to ensure there is an audience for the content you plan to create. Tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and keyword research can help you gauge the popularity and competition within different niches. Once you have chosen your niche, understanding your target audience is the next critical step. Create a detailed profile of your ideal viewer, considering factors like age, gender, location, interests, and viewing habits. This will help you tailor your content to meet their expectations and preferences. Engage with your audience through comments, community posts, and social media to gain insights into their likes, dislikes, and suggestions. Knowing your niche and audience not only guides your content creation but also influences your branding, marketing strategies, and monetization efforts. By focusing on a specific niche and deeply understanding your audience, you can build a loyal community and stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Number 2. Plan your content strategy. Planning your content strategy is essential for building and maintaining a successful YouTube channel. A well-thought-out strategy ensures consistency, quality, and engagement, which are crucial for growth in 2024's competitive landscape. Start by creating a content calendar. This calendar will help you schedule and organize your video uploads, ensuring you post regularly and avoid last-minute rushes. Consistency is key to retaining viewers and attracting new ones. Decide how often you can realistically post new content, whether it's once a week, bi-weekly, or monthly, and stick to that schedule. Balance your content between evergreen and trending topics. Evergreen content is timeless and remains relevant long-term, providing a steady flow of views over time. Examples include how-to guides, tutorials, and informative videos. Trending content, on the other hand, capitalizes on current events, viral topics, or seasonal trends, driving immediate but often short-lived spikes in viewership. By mixing both types of content, you can ensure your channel remains relevant and engaging. Additionally, diversify your content formats to keep your audience interested. Experiment with different types of videos such as vlogs, interviews, tutorials, and live streams. This variety can cater to different segments of your audience and prevent your channel from becoming monotonous. Regularly review your content performance using YouTube Analytics. Analyze which videos are performing well and why. Use these insights to refine your content strategy, focusing more on what resonates with your audience and discarding what doesn't. By meticulously planning your content strategy, you can create a sustainable and engaging YouTube channel that stands the test of time and trends. Number 3. Invest in quality equipment. Investing in quality equipment is crucial for producing professional-looking videos that attract and retain viewers. In 2024, the bar for video quality on YouTube is higher than ever, and subpar visuals or audio can quickly turn off potential subscribers. Start with a good camera. While smartphones today offer impressive video capabilities, investing in a dedicated camera can significantly enhance your production value. Look for cameras with high resolution, excellent low-light performance, and versatile lens options. Popular choices among YouTubers include DSLR and mirrorless cameras, which provide superior image quality and flexibility. Audio quality is just as important as video quality. Viewers are likely to click away if they struggle to hear or understand you. Invest in a high-quality microphone to ensure clear and crisp audio. There are various options available, such as lavalier mics, shotgun mics, and USB condenser mics, each suited to different filming situations. Lighting can dramatically improve the look of your videos. Even the best cameras can't compensate for poor lighting. Start with basic softbox lights or LED panels to ensure your videos are well lit and visually appealing. Natural light can also be used effectively, but it's less reliable due to changing conditions. Don't forget about accessories that enhance production value, such as tripods, stabilizers, and backdrop setups. These tools can help create a stable, professional environment for your shoots. While investing in equipment can be costly, consider it a necessary investment in your channel's future. High-quality production values not only attract viewers but also reflect your dedication and professionalism, setting your channel apart in a crowded marketplace. Are you enjoying this information so far? Be sure and subscribe for more content related to online business and affiliate marketing. Number 4. Learn basic video editing. Learning basic video editing is essential for creating engaging and polished YouTube content. Good editing can turn raw footage into a compelling story, keeping viewers interested and encouraging them to subscribe to your channel. Start by choosing the right editing software. There are several options available, catering to different skill levels and budgets. For beginners, free software like iMovie, for Mac users, or DaVinci Resolve offers user-friendly interfaces with plenty of basic features. As you advance, consider investing in more sophisticated software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, which provide advanced tools for professional quality editing. Focus on mastering fundamental editing techniques. Learn how to trim and cut footage to remove unnecessary parts and maintain a smooth flow. Understanding transitions is also crucial. Use them sparingly to enhance the storytelling without distracting the viewer. Experiment with different types of transitions to find what works best for your content. Incorporate text and graphics to highlight key points or add context. Titles, subtitles, and annotations can make your videos more informative and accessible. Additionally, learning how to adjust audio levels, add background music, and incorporate sound effects can significantly improve the overall viewing experience. Color correction and grading are vital for giving your videos a professional look. Basic adjustments to brightness, contrast, and saturation can make your footage more visually appealing and consistent. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you edit, the more proficient you will become. Utilize online tutorials and resources to learn new techniques and stay updated with the latest editing trends. By mastering basic video editing, you can produce high-quality content that stands out on YouTube and keeps your audience engaged. Enjoying this educational content? Be sure and subscribe for more. Let's continue. Number 5. Optimize your channel and videos for SEO. Optimizing your channel and videos for SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial for increasing visibility and attracting more viewers on YouTube. Effective SEO helps your content rank higher in search results and recommendations, driving more traffic to your channel. Start by conducting keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Search Suggest feature, and keyword research tools to find popular and relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Craft compelling titles that include your primary keywords and accurately reflect your content. A well-optimized title not only improves search rankings but also entices viewers to click. Similarly, write detailed and keyword-rich descriptions. The first few lines of your description are particularly important, as they appear in search results. Provide a clear summary of your video, including relevant keywords, and include links to related content or social media. Tags are another important aspect of YouTube SEO. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that relate to your content. This helps YouTube understand the context of your videos and improves discoverability. Thumbnails play a significant role in attracting clicks. Design eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. Consistent branding in your thumbnails can also help build channel recognition. Additionally, use YouTube's closed captions and transcripts to improve accessibility and SEO. Transcripts provide additional text for YouTube's algorithms to index, potentially boosting your video's search ranking. Regularly analyze your performance using YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. Use this data to refine your SEO strategy and make informed decisions about future content. By optimizing your channel and videos for SEO, you can increase your visibility, attract more viewers, and grow your YouTube presence effectively. Number 6. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal community on YouTube. Interaction not only fosters a sense of connection and trust but also encourages viewers to return and recommend your channel to others. Start by actively responding to comments on your videos. Acknowledge and appreciate the feedback, answer questions, and join the conversations sparked by your content. This shows viewers that you value their input and encourages them to continue engaging with your channel. Use community posts to interact with your audience outside of your regular video uploads. Community posts can include polls, updates, behind-the-scenes content, or even shout-outs to your most active followers. These posts help maintain a consistent presence on your channel and keep your audience engaged between video uploads. Encourage viewers to participate by asking questions, prompting discussions, and soliciting their opinions on topics related to your content. This not only boosts engagement but also provides you with valuable insights into what your audience likes and wants to see more of. Consider hosting live streams to connect with your audience in real time. Live Q&A sessions, tutorials, or casual chats allow for immediate interaction and can make your viewers feel more personally connected to you. Live streams can also increase your channel's watch time and engagement metrics, which are beneficial for YouTube's algorithm. Additionally, leverage social media to extend your interaction beyond YouTube. Engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Discord to build a broader community. By actively engaging with your audience, you create a supportive and interactive community that enhances viewer loyalty and encourages growth. Engaged viewers are more likely to subscribe, share your content, and become long-term supporters of your channel. Number 7. Promote your channel. Promoting your YouTube channel is essential for reaching a wider audience and driving growth. Effective promotion strategies can help increase your visibility, attract new viewers, and build a loyal subscriber base. Start by leveraging social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and other relevant platforms to reach different audiences. Tailor your content to each platform's unique features, such as using short clips or highlights on Instagram and TikTok to generate interest. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and participating in relevant discussions to build a broader online presence. Collaborate with other YouTubers and influencers. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences who share similar interests. Choose partners whose content complements yours, and create engaging videos that benefit both parties. Cross-promotions and guest appearances are also effective ways to expand your reach. Join online communities and forums related to your niche. Participate in discussions, share your expertise, and provide value without overly self-promoting. By establishing yourself as a knowledgeable and helpful member of these communities, you can naturally attract people to your channel. Use email marketing to keep your audience informed about new videos and updates. Encourage viewers to join your mailing list by offering exclusive content or behind-the-scenes access. Regular newsletters can keep your subscribers engaged and drive traffic to your channel. Consider running paid advertising campaigns on platforms like YouTube, Google Ads, or social media. Target these ads to specific demographics and interests to ensure they reach potential viewers who are likely to be interested in your content. By strategically promoting your channel, you can enhance your visibility, attract a diverse audience, and foster growth. Combining organic and paid promotion methods will help you build a robust and engaged viewer base. Number 8. Monetization strategies. Monetizing your YouTube channel is a significant milestone that allows you to earn revenue from your content. Understanding various monetization strategies can help you maximize your earnings and diversify your income streams. The primary method of monetization on YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once accepted, you can earn money from ads displayed on your videos. To optimize ad revenue, create engaging content that keeps viewers watching longer, as watch time and engagement are crucial for attracting higher-paying ads. In addition to ad revenue, consider channel memberships and Super Chat. Channel memberships allow viewers to pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. Super Chat lets viewers pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams, providing an interactive way to support your channel. Sponsorships and brand deals are another lucrative monetization strategy. Collaborate with brands that align with your niche and audience. Sponsored content, product reviews, and brand integrations can provide substantial income, especially as your channel grows. Merchandising is an effective way to monetize your channel while strengthening your brand. Platforms like Teespring or YouTube's merch shelf allow you to sell branded merchandise directly from your channel. This not only generates revenue but also helps foster a sense of community among your viewers. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for sales made through your referral links. Choose products that are relevant to your content and valuable to your audience. Finally, crowdfunding platforms like Patreon allow fans to support your channel through monthly contributions. Offer exclusive content, early access, or personalized perks to incentivize support. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you can create multiple income streams, reducing dependence on any single source and increasing your channel's financial stability. Number 9. Stay updated with YouTube's policies and trends. Staying informed about YouTube's policies and trends is essential for maintaining a successful channel and adapting to changes in the platform's ecosystem. YouTube regularly updates its policies and algorithms, impacting everything from content guidelines to recommended practices for growth and engagement. Keep abreast of YouTube's community guidelines to ensure your content complies with their standards. Violating these guidelines can result in demonetization, strikes, or even channel termination. Familiarize yourself with policies related to copyright, harassment, and harmful or inappropriate content to avoid potential penalties. Stay updated on YouTube's algorithm changes and trends to optimize your content for maximum visibility and engagement. The algorithm determines which videos are recommended to users, making it crucial to understand how it evaluates and ranks content. Pay attention to factors like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention, as these metrics influence your video's performance. Join YouTube's Creator Insider channel and follow official YouTube blogs and social media accounts for updates on policy changes, algorithm updates, and best practices. Participate in YouTube Creator Academy courses and workshops to gain insights from industry experts and improve your channel management skills. Additionally, stay informed about broader trends in content creation, audience preferences, and platform innovations. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and networking events to connect with other creators and stay ahead of the curve. By staying updated with YouTube's policies and trends, you can ensure compliance, maximize your channel's growth potential, and adapt to evolving audience expectations. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to thriving in the dynamic and competitive world of online content creation. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel in 2024 presents both exciting opportunities and unique challenges. As one of the most popular platforms for content creators, YouTube offers a vast audience and potential for growth. However, success requires more than just uploading videos. It demands strategic planning, dedication, and adaptability. By following the 9 essential tips outlined in this article, aspiring YouTubers can lay a solid foundation for their channels and increase their chances of success. From defining your niche and audience to staying updated with YouTube's policies and trends, each step plays a crucial role in building a thriving channel. Choosing the right niche allows you to target a specific audience and differentiate yourself in a crowded marketplace. Planning a content strategy ensures consistency and quality, while investing in equipment and mastering basic editing techniques enhances production value. Optimizing your channel and videos for SEO increases visibility and attracts more viewers, while engaging with your audience fosters a sense of community and loyalty. Promoting your channel, exploring various monetization strategies, and staying informed about YouTube's policies and trends are essential for long-term success. By combining these strategies with creativity, passion, and perseverance, YouTubers can create engaging content, build a loyal following, and turn their passion into a sustainable career. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. So, whether you're just starting or looking to take your channel to the next level, embrace the journey, stay true to your vision, and keep creating content that resonates with your audience. The possibilities are endless on YouTube. Start your journey today. Check out the links below for the best training and tools to get started with today.